In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a recurring booking link inside of Morgan so you can share your availability with someone else to book a meeting. If we have a look inside of Morgan, I have personal events in my orange calendar, I have work events in my purple calendar, which are also in my personal calendar, and then I have tasks inside of a different task calendar. If we have a look over to the left, you can see we have the booking page or the open invite links. Open invites are single booking links, which I will cover in a different video. And then we have the booking page, which is where we can create recurring schedule links. So if I push the plus button, I'm going to add the meeting title, Meeting with Danny. I can then add some notes. And you'll notice all of the events have disappeared in the calendar because this is recurring. This is a recurring scheduled slot, so the events will consistently change. What I want to do is just say I'm available from 9 till 3 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but actually on Friday I only want to have meetings up until 12. So I've got different availability throughout the week, want nothing on the weekend, and in the left side it's updated the available slots. I can copy that as text. And once copied, you can paste it into an email or a text or a Slack or wherever you're going to paste it to send it to someone. I'm currently viewing Morgan in the London Europe time zone. You can change the time zone of the meeting link if you think you're going to change time zone, but I would recommend keeping this to the same time zone you're working in. Then we have the length of the meeting. This could be 5 minutes all the way through to 6 hours. So if you want to have a 6-hour meeting for someone to book. Then there's the option to pick which calendar you want the event to go into. So I have all of the different calendars inside of my Morgan that I have access to, that I have permission to add events to. So this booking link, if someone books a call, it will go into my personal events calendar. If I want it to be a work booking link, I would add it to my work calendar. I could add a specific video conferencing link, so Zoom or Google Meets, depending on what I have connected to Morgan. I can add a location if it's a physical location, but once we've sorted that out, I can then create and copy the link. You'll notice by default, this meeting with Danny is now showing on my public links booking page. But if I paste that copied link into my web browser or any web browser and open it, you can see here is my availability for the week. When I click on, I can click into a time, I can put the name in, email address, add any additional notes, and then confirm the meeting. To quickly access that link, I can click on the link icon and that will take me to the same place. However, I have a personal booking page. So if I copy the link to my personal booking page and paste that into the browser, you can see now I'm on a different page which has the one schedule link that we've created available, which will take me to the schedule link for this meeting with Danny. If I create a second booking link, let's say this is a support call, it's a quick call and it's only going to take me 15 minutes and I want this on my personal calendar. I only want to do these on Monday and Tuesday in the morning. Now I can create and copy the link and by default it's been added to the public booking page. So now when I come to the booking page, I have both of these options, the meeting with Danny, which is 30 minutes, or the support call, which is 15 minutes. If I don't want one of these to appear, I can come into Morgan, click on the 3 dots and remove from the booking page. Now it is a private link rather than something public. If you want to block some availability for the booking link, like an event or a meeting or a task that you want to do or some time that you want to save for yourself and maybe video recording or some deep work, check this video out because that's where I cover how to block availability inside of Morgan schedule links.